Hello everyone! This is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In this video I'll show you how to finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interuni.com/crochetcardiganjacket-pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Repeat the pattern about 5 times. Work your last row as your 5th row, then begin working one front part. After the double crochet row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 1. To decrease one chain, skip one chain and work single crochet 31. At the end of the row, after last bump, work half double crochet decrease, then a regular half double crochet and one returning chain. Work the third front part row as your first one. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 1. Skip one chain to decrease one chain and work single crochets to end. Again, decrease chains from one side only. Begin your double crochet row as usual, and then when you have just 3 chains left, work double crochet decrease, double crochet 1 and one returning chain. Row 5. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook, work single crochet 1, then skip one chain to decrease one chain, and then work 2 more single crochets. And then work the pattern without decreasing chains, just regular way. Chain 3. Skip 2 single crochet 3 to end of the row. Again, for the front part, work first 5 rows decreasing one chain in each row, then work following 3 rows without decreasing chains, and then repeat the pattern starting from the first row. Again, work 5 rows decreasing one chain in each row, and then work the following 3 rows without decreasing chains. Work your second front part as a mirror reflection to the first one. Attach the yarn 33 chains before the end of the row. This is my wrong side. And then begin rows regular way without decreasing chains and decrease one chain in each row from this side. Chain 1 to pick up the height, then work single crochets to your last 2 chains. After the 31 single crochets, skip 1 single crochet 1 and 1 returning chain. Keep decreasing one chain in each row from this side only. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and to decrease one chain, work half double crochet, decrease, then work a bump, and so on. After you work 3 rows without decreasing chains, work again 5 rows decreasing 1 chain in each row, and then again work 3 rows without decreasing chains. To crochet a back part, skip 2 chains from a front part, then work 53 single crochets or multiples of 5 single crochets plus 3 additional single crochets. You should have 2 chains left to your following front part. Then after 53 single crochets, work 1 returning chain and then work just regular rows without decreasing chains. Second row, work 3 half double crochets, then 1 bump, and so on. Work the same number of rows for the back part as for the front part, and then use 4 repeats and work 3 extra rows for a back shoulder part. Join the front and back shoulder pieces on the wrong side of the garment. After double crochet row for the front part, do not work a returning chain, and you should have 2 returning chains after single crochet row for the back part. So work 1 slip stitch, and then insert a hook into the following chain, yarn over, and here into the following chain, and work double crochet 1. And then just repeat again. Use the following chain on this side, yarn over, and then draw the yarn through the following chain on this side and finish the double crochet. Work double crochets joining 2 shoulder parts together to end of the row. After you join shoulder parts together, that's how it should look so far. To work a sleeve, attach the yarn underarm, chain 2 to pick up the height, and then work double crochets to end. Other than 2 initial chains, you should have 37 double crochets or multiples of 5 double crochets plus 2 additional double crochets. Then work 1 returning chain and work regular rows like here without decreasing chains. When you crochet the desired length of a sleeve, sew sides together. Sew sides together, matching rows. Lastly, work the first 5 rows around the body. For that, attach the yarn to the initial foundation chain, chain 2 to pick up the height, and work the first double crochet row, and the number of double crochets should be divisible by 5 plus 2 additional double crochets. After you crochet the last 5 rows around the body, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.